They send paedophiles from door to door. They try to talk to your kids. Check us out on YouTube. Check it out on YouTube. Ex-Jehovah's Witnesses. Check it out on YouTube. Check us out. Jehovah's Witnesses send paedophiles from door to door. Ask to see their child protection policy. Jehovah's Witnesses send paedophiles out from door to door. Jehovah's Witnesses send paedophiles from door to door. Morning ladies. Have a nice day. Oi, what room's mine up there? Are you putting it up or taking it down? Taking it down. Oh. You're a troubleshooter, are you? You're putting mine up there later. You alright, mate?
Go up, Dirk.
We need to find a nice little spot with a nice chair.
Right.
Yes, they do. Jehovah's Witnesses send people to your door who are not safe to work with children. Dinner ladies and school teachers are vetted to make sure they're safe to work with your children. Jehovah's Witnesses go from door to door and they cover up child molesting. You can have a paedophile call on your door. If you're busy in the kitchen, in the garage, they'll talk to your children and try to indoctrinate your children. Don't stand for it. Ask to see their child protection policies. Jehovah's Witnesses regularly send paedophiles from door to door to try to talk to your children. Ask to see their child protection policy. School teachers and dinner ladies are vetted to make sure they're safe to work with little children. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They send paedophiles from door to door. If you're busy in the kitchen, in the garage, they'll talk to your children and try to indoctrinate your children. Ask to see their child protection policy. They are not vetted. Jehovah's Witnesses send paedophiles from door to door. They are not vetted. Dinner ladies and school teachers are vetted to make sure they're safe to work with your children. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They go from door to door to try to indoctrinate your children. If you're busy in the garage, in the kitchen, they will try to indoctrinate your children. They are not vetted. They are not vetted. They send paedophiles from door to door. Safeguard your children. Ask to see their child protection policy. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. School teachers and dinner ladies are vetted to make work with your children. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They regularly send paedophiles from door to door. If you are busy, they will try to indoctrinate your children. They call from door to door, they are not vetted. Take care of Jehovah's Witnesses. They will try to indoctrinate your children. They are not vetted. School teachers and dinner ladies are vetted to make sure they're safe to work with your children. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They regularly send paedophiles from door to door. Don't take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. Go on YouTube. Jehovah's Witnesses are paying out millions of pounds in sex abuse cases. They do. In Wales, in Manchester, Jehovah's Witness elders are raping little children. How long are we going to stand round and do nothing? Don't take my word for it. Check it out on YouTube. Check it out. Dinner ladies to work with your children are vetted to make sure your children are safe. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They go from door to door. If you're busy, they will try to indoctrinate your children. Don't stand by and do nothing. Ask to see their child protection policy. Safeguard your children. Jehovah's Witnesses regularly send paedophiles to call on your door. School teachers and dinner ladies are vetted to make sure they're safe to work with your children. Jehovah's Witnesses, if you are busy in the kitchen, in the garage, they will try to indoctrinate your children. Ask to see their child protection policy. Child protection policy. Don't do nothing. I'm not the only one fed up of paedophiles being chucked out onto our streets, so our children can't play in the park in the dark. We want our children to be safe. Look up the paedophiles, safeguard the children. Stop them up, stop letting them out. 2 minutes, a paedophile with your child for 2 minutes can ruin its life forever. Paedophiles ruin children's lives. How long are we going to stand by and do nothing? Don't our children deserve to play in the streets, play in the park when it's dark? How can they? Paedophiles continue to molest children. They need locking up. We do not need them calling on our door trying to talk to our children. Jehovah's Witnesses should be vetted like anybody else. Like the militaries, like the school teachers. Vet them. Make it safe for our children. If they call on your door, ask to see their child protection policy. Jehovah's Witnesses regularly cover up paedophilia on a grand scale. Don't take my word for it. Look on YouTube. Jehovah's Witnesses, Jehovah's paedophile. Google it. Search it. They regularly send paedophiles from door to door. Their Bible was written by a spirit medium. Jehovah's Witnesses are under a spell. They are in a mind-controlled cult, like the Moonies. I was one of Jehovah's Witnesses for 30 years, and when someone came to me and said that their child had been molested, I went to the elders and I said, this can't be right. We cannot ignore children being molested. They kicked me out and told me to shut up. Like I'm sure a lot of you people would like me to shut up. But child molesting is a wicked crime. 2 minutes with a child can ruin its life. Why do we stand by and allow child molesters to be let out of prison, given secret identities and put within our communities? We do not want it. Hands up, all those who would like the paedophiles to be let out of prison and prey on our children. No one. Hands up, all those who would like paedophiles let out of prison to prey on our children. I didn't think so. Am I the only one who completely cares? Jehovah's Witnesses cover up child molesting on a grand scale. School teachers and vigilators are vetted so that they're safe to work with little children. Jehovah's Witnesses are not vetted. They regularly send out paedophiles to your door. If you're busy in the kitchen, in the garage, they'll talk to your little children and try to indoctrinate them. Don't stand for it. Ask to see their child protection policy. Ask to see Jehovah's Witnesses child protection policy. We're fed up with all this living kids. Put them in jail, leave them in jail. Hands up all those who think paedophiles should be set out on the streets to prey on our children. No, I didn't think so. So why do we stand for it? Jehovah's Witnesses regularly send out paedophiles to knock on your door. Ask to see their child protection policies. There's a break for you.